And here's a look at what is making headlines in India at this hour. The Punjab police busted a terror module in Ludhiana last evening. Two people with links to terror module allegedly in touch with Pakistan's ISI were shot in an encounter with police in Ludhiana. Both were rushed to a hospital. Among the items recovered included 2 Chinese-made grenades, 5 sophisticated pistols which came from across the border, and live bullets were also recovered from them. 3 people associated with the terror module were earlier arrested by the police. The Bengal police recovered 6 live crude bombs in raids that were conducted in a village in Murshidabad district. 2 persons have been arrested in connection with the recovery made. During the interrogation and on basis of their statements recorded, 78 pieces of socket bombs were also recovered last evening from a village in Murshidabad district. In a joint operation by the 78th Battalion of the BSF Guwahati with Narcotics Control Bureau of Siliguri and West Bengal Police, destroyed illegal cultivation of cannabis in Bengal's Cooch Behar. The BSF in a statement said that approximately 48 acres of illegally cultivated cannabis was destroyed in this operation. The Enforcement Directorate has named Robert Vadra, husband of Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, as accused in an alleged black money case linked to UK-based arms consultant Sanjay Bhandari. The prosecution complaint, which is akin to a charge sheet, was filed before a special court in the Rouse Avenue Court Complex on 15th of May. The matter is slated to be heard on 6th of December. In Gujarat, a major fire broke out at a wood warehouse in Godhra in wee hours today. No loss of human life or injuries were reported. However, the exact extent of damage is yet to be determined. Preliminary investigation indicates that the fire at the wood warehouse was likely triggered by an electrical short circuit. The State Investigation Agency of the Jammu and Kashmir Police conducted searches at the office of the Kashmir Times in Jammu on Thursday, while further details of the raids are awaited. Statement by Kashmir Files termed it as a coordinated crackdown in an attempt to stifle its voice.